In 1974, Lionel came out with the Coca-Cola train, and it was a switcher engine. And this is just a beautiful rendition of it. Has the Fanta car on it. I guess that'd be orange. Then you had a tab car. Then you had the beautiful Sprite car. Look how the bold colors. And then you had the caboose that was a Coca-Cola. And they marketed them with this track and transformer and everything. But here they are running. They only ran in forward and reverse manual. There was no E-switch on this. There was no horn. But it sure is a colorful train, and here it is running. If you wanted it to run in reverse, you had to hit the lever here with the manual, and then it would go. And that is the Lionel Coca-Cola train with the very beautiful, brightly colored cars.